These two things, the advisor and the persona generator, are the foundations upon which your AI experience is built. Everybody is jumping to the top, the generative AI. How do I produce a pro forma? How do I produce a blog post? Give me an email sequence. And it's amazing and awesome and ridiculously powerful. And because it's already got an IQ kind of roughly yours, you look at it and go, wow, that's amazing, because it is. It's an amazing parlor trick. It's like when David Blaine says, is this your card? Versus the bit where he walks through the Great Wall of China. Completely different level of magic trick. I was on another call with someone. I was saying, use the script, the transcription of your webinar in order to generate the objections. And the person I was talking to said, well, I probably need to put the objections in. I'm like, no, it's smarter than you. You don't need to tell it what the objections are. You just need to give it the context, and it's going to work it out to a better level than you can. If you jump straight into the generative AI, it can only ever be dumber than you because it's taking your instruction. That's not what this is. That's why it's man and machine, not machine reporting to man. You come in here at the bottom. Advisors and personas, give it the context, help it understand your skills, your experience, what you've learned in the world. The advisor, have a conversation, talk to the damn thing, ask it questions. You're struggling with the XYZ in your business, ask it that question, have a conversation with an advisor. And this is an advisor that is egoless. It's not going to bring in its own crap. It didn't have a bad day. It didn't just get divorced. It's sitting there going, what do you want me to do?